would go. But I would want 500 chunks, and I would want 500 more, just to get back every single wooden block you stole from me before. When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna go find all the wood you stole from me. When I wonder, well, I know I could have gone and got some more wood from that tree. And if I'm walking, yeah, I know there's other wood, but I want my wood. It's my wood. And if I'm farming, well, I know I'm gonna be the one who's farming next to that gentleman over there. But I would want 500 chunks, and I would want 500 more, just to get back every single wooden block you stole from me before. When they're creeping, well, I know that I will die because you've stolen all my wood. When they blow up, well, I know I'm gonna hide, cause being out there will do no good. When I'm searching, well, I know I'm gonna search